Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's April, and guess what? Today we have Scentsy Club deliveries. So I actually have two club orders that came in today. It's my monthly and my bi-monthly clubs. And these are going to change over time because I pretty much wanted to have birthday wishes in my monthly and my bi-monthly club. And come January, when we have Bring Back My Bar, there are several bars in there that you can only add to your club. So I kind of wanted to make sure I got the birthday wishes in there, and then I just threw in some extra scents to kind of be a placeholder for the anticipation of the Bring Back My Bars, and I just stocked up on scents that I knew I wanted anyways. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. So this box right here is my monthly club. At least I think this is the monthly club. The smaller one I think is my bi-monthly, but we will figure that out. I always get the Whiff box in my monthly club because I get it for $15 since my order is over $60. And I also am able to get, this box is hard to open, 10% off my entire order. So it's a great value, and that's why I always have a monthly club. All right, here we go. This box was very hard to open. Okay, so we have, is this it? Yes, this is it. I see my Whiff box in there. Yay! Tons of packing paper once again. I'm curious to see if there are any ice packs in here because the weather's been kind of nice, so I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Okay, so we have October's Whiff box, and I'm actually going to make a separate video on this, so stick around for that. And the next thing I see in here is my box of wax bars. I kind of don't remember exactly what I put in here, but I know it was things that I wanted to get like way more bars of, so this is kind of like how I do my little mini stock ups. Okay, I do not know. Oh, here they are, my scissors. The pen that I usually use, I broke it in my last video, so now I have to resort to the scissors. Okay. This is actually really cold, my box. Alright, here is the Mylar pouch. Okay, so they did put in the ice pack. And actually, this is so freaking cold still. I should have mentioned, On Track has been delivering my orders lately, and I've noticed they are very, very fast, faster than UPS, faster than FedEx. I mean, these are still cold. Usually these are like not cold anymore, but these are. So thank you so much, On Track. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and show you guys kind of what's in here. It's just bars. And let's see. First we have Toasted Acorn and Oak. This is a really great scent, and this was in the the Harvest collection, and you could only purchase this in a 3-pack or individually in your Scentsy Club, so that's what I did to get a few more bars. And this is a really great scent. To me, it's kind of like a creamy bakery scent. I'm not sure if that's what the official category is, but that's what it is for me. Just take a quick sniff. Yeah. It's a good one. Okay, we also have Almond Croissant. I love this scent. It's a fantastic bakery. An apple butter frosting, another wonderful bakery scent. Kind of had a theme going, I think. We have Cinnamon Buttercream. I have a couple bars of these still, but again, I just kind of wanted to have like a placeholder for my birthday wishes and just kind of stock up on the things I know I loved. We have Butter Pecan. I have not had this one yet, and I've just heard really great things, so I wanted to definitely give it a try. It's really sweet bakery. That is nice. I'm gonna try to smell the bottom. really good. Yeah, I'm so glad I tried this. It's very sweet and decadent, and I absolutely love it. Okay, we have Amazon Rain. I actually picked up 2 of these because I know I love this scent already. And sometimes I want to break from the sweet or the fall scents, so that's one of my favorites in the bathroom. I also picked up a Dancing Sugar Plums. This is really great. I actually love this mixed with Almond Croissant. It is fantastic, but really good on its own too. I also picked up Spiced Ember Glow. This scent, it really won me over. I wasn't sure when I first sniffed this on cold, but then I warmed it, and it's just this really nice, smoky, slightly sweet, delicious scent. And I don't think we have anything quite like it in the catalog now, and I don't know if I've ever smelled anything quite like it ever. So that one, I knew I wanted to get some more of. Okay. Ooh, Tinsel Berry. I think I talked about this in my last video. This one, oh, there's just something about it. It's so sweet and just a little tiny hint of like cinnamon sugar, but just a sprinkling. It is so good. Strawberries and cranberries. I think those are my 2 favorite combos for fruit scents, and that's what's in that one. I also picked up Cozy Cardigan. I love this scent. And another Cozy Cardigan. And then Polar Bear Hugs. I really have grown to love this one as well. It's really good on cold, but on warm, it's even better. So that is all that I had in my monthly club. And again, this is going to change. I've already kind of gone through and changed out things for next month, so that will be different when you see that video. And now we have the smaller box, and I'm pretty sure this is just all wax. And I think I picked a brick for my help off item. You know what? I totally forgot. I didn't have birthday wishes in that order. I guess I only did it for this one, my bi-monthly. Okay. Here we go. All wax. The box is still really cold inside too. Okay. Gosh, there's such a mess over here now from all the paper. Okay. I always have a hard time opening these. Another super cold ice pack. And my beautiful wax. Okay. So in here we have Silver Bells. I love this one so much. So good. I actually picked up 2 of those. The wax bars are really cold. Winterberry Apple Tea, another fantastic scent. Actually picked up 2 of those. Here we go, my birthday wishes. I love this scent so much. I missed out on Happy Birthday, so I don't know how it compares, but I love this one so much, and this will always be in my club. Also have Graduation. This is also from the Moment by Moment collection. And this one is just, actually no, it's not the Moment by Moment, is it? Yeah, yes it is. Okay. Another really great one. I love this. I think I'm going to keep this in my club for quite a while. I just love that scent. We have Vanilla Mint. Another great one from the fall catalog. We have Arctic Kiss. I love this one so much. And another Arctic Kiss. We have Berry Blessed, a really great fruity scent. I actually think you could warm this year round. And another Berry Blessed. Cashmere and Corduroy, probably one of my favorites besides Spiced Ember Glow in the new fragrances that came out. Oh, so great. Love it. And another Cashmere and Corduroy. And finally we have Graham Cracker Crunch. This is a really great bakery scent as well. Yeah, I definitely get the graham cracker and the peanut butter note, and I am a fan. And for my half off item, I picked up Brick in Blueberry Cheesecake. And this is a scent that I used to not like at all. And then it kind of just grew on me. I don't know if my scent preferences changed or what, but I actually really like it now, and I've been kind of craving it. Yeah, it's just so good. It's sweet. It really does smell like a blueberry cheesecake. So that is it. Those were my monthly and bi-monthly clubs. I have my my big one coming in November, so stick around for that. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you guys are doing your clubs. Do you have 1 club, 2 clubs, 3 clubs? What do you put in them? Thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys later.